Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.4, question 1. Let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. Area of this triangle 64 and area of this triangle is 121. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. So if you have studied theorem 6.6, we have studied that the areas of the triangle. So okay, I'll explain to you. For example, if we have two triangles, okay, here what is given? ABC. So ABC, one triangle, then DEF, okay. These are the two triangles. We have studied their areas. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF will be equal to their ratio, sides ratio AB upon DE whole square will be equal to BC upon EF whole square equal to AC upon DF whole square. So this is what we have studied in theorem 6.6, that the ratio of the area of the triangle will be equal to their squares of their corresponding sides of their ratio is equal. So this is what we have studied. So first let us write down what are the things we have with us. Okay, given. What is given? Area of triangle ABC is given 64 centimeter square. Then area of triangle DEF is given to us 121 centimeter square. Then EF is given to us 15.4 centimeter. We have to find BC. This is what we have to find out. So where is EF and BC here? EF and BC here we have. Okay. So we will take only this part and this we will not consider. All are equal to each other, right? So in this only we will take EF is given to us, BC we have to find out and put this formula only. Okay. So we'll write down area of triangle ABC, because this all our value is given to us. Only we have to find out this. So we'll just put it this only formula. So area of triangle DEF is equal to BC upon EF whole square. Since we are given only these values, so we'll take only this. The other sides of no use for us because they are asking us to find out BC. Okay, so let's put the value. Area of triangle ABC is 64. DEF is 121. BC we don't know. EF is 15.4 whole square. Okay, so now instead of making this square and square, it is going to be complicated. What we will do, we'll bring the square this side. So in Pythagoras theorem, otherwise also you have studied that. For example, if x square is equal to 2 means we can square, when you bring that side, it will become root. Okay, it can be plus and minus, but then minus we don't take because this is area has to be positive, so it will be positive. So same method we will follow. Square comes this side means this will become root. This becomes a root 64 upon 121. Then this remains here BC upon 15.4. Okay, so now do the factorization for 64. Otherwise also if you know 8 square is 64. 8 into 8 is how much? 64. So you can write down, instead of 64, we'll write down 8 square. So same way, 11 into 11 will give us 121. If you don't know to do like this, you can do the factorization. So it will be factorized only by 11. It will come like this. Okay. So 11 square. BC. So now let us to remove this root, what we will do, whenever square is there, when the square you cancel, root also will get cancelled. So one more step, you can write down 8 upon 11 whole square. Okay, so now root gets cancelled, then square also will get cancelled. So we have 8 upon 11 BC 15.4. So now we have to find out the value for BC. So keep BC there only. Let this come this side. It is in division. When it comes here, goes to multiplication. 8 upon 11. BC we keep as it is. So now this is in decimal. So to remove the decimal, what we will do? After this is one decimal. So after one digit the decimal, so we have to divide. To remove this, we have to divide by 10. So it will become 154. Then 8. Then this will become decimal. When you remove, it become 10. And this 11 is here. So 8 upon 11 is like this only. But this, when we remove this, after one digit means we can divide that by 10. Then that decimal goes. Okay. So now this is what we have. So now here, in 15, one time we'll have 11. Then 4 carried forth. Now 44. Then 4 times 11, 44. So we have 14 into 8 upon 10 equal to BC. Okay, 14 into 8 multiply. When we multiply, we will get 112 upon 10 equal to BC. Now, since 10 is there, so after one digit we can keep the decimal. So 11.2 will become BC. Okay, so therefore we have to find out BC only. So BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter, because it is asked in centimeter. Okay, so this is our answer. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.